Today, Kelly's back. She's back again with a small business that will be huge, like really, really big.
It's a product called Clards. It was started by Carla Scholz. She created a company called Soak It Up years ago. But the standout product are Clards, which is cloth cards. They are cards made out of that Swedish dishcloth material.
I'm so intrigued by
Yes.
I just think this is so great. It's reusable, it's compostable. So what it is, you get the Clard in the mail, okay? Well, you can send a Clard, so you can write on the Clard on the inside. It looks just like a card. It's like a card size. Yep. But then when you receive it, you can also use it as a dishcloth, as you see here. You just dunk it in water, and it becomes two handy cleaning cloths. So there's a perforated center, and they just pull apart. It becomes two dishcloths. One Clard can do the work of 1,500 to 3,000 paper towels, depending on how much you use them. So she thought this was going to be really easy. It proved to be pretty tricky to get all this figured out, but she's got a patent. She has a registered trademark for Clards, is slowly chipping away on doing all the right things. You're going to be everywhere. I can just feel it. I mean, these feel like they should be everywhere. I don't understand. I know it's a lot of work, and here I am just asking the questions. But I want that for you because I think they're so great.
Thank you. And you'll end up with a lifetime supply of Clards.
And she is hoping to do a custom greeting cards, meaning like save the dates.
She does a really nice job explaining how to do it, though. Like, it says blank inside. Like, all of these things to show you, because that's the education is going to be the key. Kelly, this is really cool.
Yeah, very good idea. This could be one that's like, why didn't I think of that?